much awaited Malangkona outpost infrastructure as desired and requested by the people of 19 villages which falls under the Mountain Road outpost, and hence they put forth to me to do the needful. We feel privileged to have all of you in our midst, sir. I also pleased to welcome representatives of 19 villages, BDPs, principals and students of Malangkona Higher Secondary School, and friends for media and esteemed audience of this village. I reiterate it as a special event because it holds significance of classic police-public relationship, whereby we can denote it as by the people, for the people. This OP infrastructure development was made possible with donations from 19 villages in terms of manpower, building materials, and most importantly, the love of the people for police. Not to leave out the contributions made by our local MLAs and constant support from our DC, who is himself the chairman of the PIRF scheme and who himself is the engineer who has closely monitored the building. And the engineers from the DRDA. That is why the opening of this new infrastructure for Malangkona OP is a proud moment for the people of 19 villages and all of us. I welcome you all once again, sir. And this Malangkona outpost was created in 15 March 2019 by government notification issued on 19 March 2019. And as we all know, it is the border of our neighboring state, Assam. And it falls under the Mountain Road Police Station. The outpost started operating on 12 September 2019 in an Assam-type house that belongs to the Malangkona Cooperative Society. Lately, the population of Malangkona decides to donate a plot of land to the outpost at which this building or this infrastructure is standing today under PIIRF scheme, and thus becoming the Malangkona Police Outpost proper. Initially, the outpost functions with only one UBSI, one UB constable, and one section of armed personnel, but now we have total 29 personnel that includes 2 UB sub-inspectors, 2 head constables, 3 UB constables, 1 MPRO operator, and the rest being the armed personnel. These 19 villages falls under the jurisdiction of outpost as per the original notification. However, the outpost also looks after the well-being of many other villages which falls under area of difference. Malangkona outpost is bounded by Kamrup district of Assam in the north, Riangdo police station in the east, Shalang police station in the south, and North Garo Hills in the west. The adjoining police stations in Assam are Boko and Dubdurang. The outpost covers a population of 29,000 people that largely consists of Garos and the Khasis, and the area is largely peaceful and crime incidents are relatively lesser. So let me take a few minutes time to give more detail in the breakup of the PRF scheme which we have undertaken in the district. So we have completed repair and renovation of Nongstoing PS, which is total sanction amount of 7,67,100 rupees. We are still renovating the Langpi Barak, which 17,50,000, and the renovation of Malangkona 17,50,000. It's totally completed. So you can, as we can see, then the repair of Barak at Salang completed Repair of quarter number 2 at Salang completed, which was respectively for 2,85,000 and 3,28,000, and repair of the Salang PS 1,18,000 total. Now the only pending is Langpi. Yes sir, only Langpi Barrack is pending. The rest we have completed, sir. So that's all from my side. Thank you, and I welcome once all the officers who are here and the dignitaries out here. Thank you. Thank you.